My name is Christopher Kwashi. I'm a Deputy Manager at FLEXI CLAY Ghana. FLEXI CLAY is a decorative high technology building material designed for interior and exterior cladding and flooring and also ceiling. This is a good material that I think Ghanaians would love. He himself personally loves it, and then it's something that should be encouraged and brought into the market. So I mean, he went into the research, found out how, I mean, it has endless benefits, and then said, no, let's bring this product to here. So here we have it here in Ghana. It was a tedious process. It was difficult finding somewhere to display. Initially, you know how we display tiles in Ghana, you need to have like a showroom, put it on catalogs and display for people to see. And I mean, this is a unique product. This is a product that has a lot of users. Because of its flexibility, you can put it around stuff. So something funny happened. Our partners in Nigeria came to Ghana scouting a place for us to use the material, and I think the woman drove past Okonglo, where we are located now, and saw one old house that was there. It had a for rent on it. So she called my CEO and told him, oh, I found one house in Okonglo that we think we can use for the showroom. It's an old house. I've seen a lot of damp around it. It's tearing down. Let's go talk to the landlords. Let's renovate it. Let's use the materials around it. We bring people in to see how it's been put here. Then the product will sell itself, I mean, once we've used it here. So he met him, he brought him over, and funny enough, it was his old house that he lived in. So, I mean, everything just started from there. I mean, they began pulling the house apart, fixing, renovating. Everything here took about 6 months, because it was a lot of work done here. I mean, breaking, putting new walls, clearing the old paints from the walls, and yeah, it was a lot of work. But I mean, we had a good team of installers to make this work happen in a short period of time. If you go around, you see that in our bathrooms, we've used FLEXI CLAY to clad the walls and the floors. When you go around the pillars, you see that we've used FLEXI CLAY. When you go, we've designed our conference table with FLEXI CLAY. I mean, there's a lot of things we've done here. Even our cabinet doors, the offices' doors, and we've used FLEXI CLAY everywhere. It's something that can be used for everything. So before lunch, we sent invitations to architects, we sent invitations to people in the construction industry, people in the interior design industry, and then some other friends and families. And a lot of people came here and are wowed by it. It's a product that everyone wants to put in their homes. We've been overwhelmed with the orders. It's something that we are looking to penetrate into the government institutions to use it over schools, because it's something that would keep schools, classrooms warm. It would save them over time renovation cost, and then it's something that would save them money. So normal material like having it over wood, the best advantage you can have is you're not going to have insects boring through like you usually have them do in the wardrobes. That is one thing that sells it for me. And also over your bathrooms, you're not going to have those green molds that usually come. You have to scrub your bathrooms every other day. You have to get chemicals. No, this is a permanent solution that leaves it always fresh after installation. FLEXI clay, it's a new technology that's designed to be ecologically friendly. That has been modified from 87% clay and 13% inorganic fiber. Now this makes it lightweight. It comes in a thickness of about 2 to 3 mm. It's flexible, you can bend it. It's waterproof, it's fireproof, it's anti-skid. That means when water falls on it, it doesn't slip, whether it's outdoor or indoor. So that makes it suitable for your bathrooms, it's suitable for your car parks, it's suitable for your bedrooms, anywhere. And because of the clay that's used, it has a high ability to retain moisture. That makes it a permanent solution for dampness. You know, in a lot of buildings in Ghana have because of the moisture in our soils here in Ghana, I find this relatively affordable because it saves you cost over time. It is a material that we give you 10 years warranty after installation and a lifetime guarantee. So we believe it is a material once you use, it will save you cost over time. So it's something that we believe it's affordable. We are giving you 70 years guarantee for this product. 70. That is why we confidently give you 10 years warranty certificate after installation. We want to penetrate all regions. We want to, give people, something beautiful in their homes. We want to, how do I put it? We want to save people money, yes, from renovation costs. It's a beautiful product. It's a product that will keep you healthy. That's one thing, because it has no VOC, the volatile organic compounds, and it's also durable. Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.